Yeah.
Oh, that's not so bad. You guys the other bit there. This is good though, eh?
Yeah.
Just want to stop here for lunch. Just sit in the bank.
That's handy.
I'll just stop here for Billy, we'll have lunch. No, I'll just leave it off. Turn off.
Turn the cameras off.
You just hit that bump, just to put my hand out the window. Go sit and have lunch. What? Go sit and have lunch. Yeah. Huh? Sit in the bank. What? Sit in the bank. What? Or do you want to go a bit further? Alright, we'll go a wee bit further then to get an open area then, right? What's that TV? It's a doozy. Aye, watch that one. Well, today, what were we up to today then, John?
Up to no good.
Up to no good. Eating your sandwiches there, son.
Picnic.
Picnic, aye.
Picnic day, Tuesday.
Well, what have we been doing today? So, we're on a 70-mile off-road route. Obviously, 70 miles hard to do off-road here in the UK. But I would say in the main we've been off-roading. Yeah. We had one long stretch of road, which when I say long stretch, it might have been a couple of miles, 2 or 3 miles.
Yeah, about that.
And that was just to join some tracks up. And then we found an absolutely wonderful track, I thought. Like, it was a bit scratchy on the vehicles, I have to say. The trees were a bit closed in. The wheel ruts were a bit... John wasn't too keen in it. Why was that, John? How were you not keen in that?
Oh, I kept hanging left.
Hanging left? Yeah, see that steering wheel, you need to turn it to the right. Oh, that's my hat there, eh? So what have you thought of the day, Duncan?
Good. Very good. Apart from John going off the track.
Did you crash the motor?
2 or 3 times.
Nearly.
Nearly.
Done a good job though.
Aye.
I didn't.
It's been a good day though. I mean, we're only halfway around now, and geography wise, we're about 6 miles from our centre's about 6 miles from Collingbourne Juices, I think, and Collingbourne Juices is just across there, probably a few miles across in that direction. So we've probably done up to about, I don't know, 30 to 35 miles I suppose, and we're no more than 6 miles or 8 miles from our centre. So we're incredibly lucky to have all this kind of fantastic scenery about us. I think what we're doing now, we're going towards Coombe next, aren't we? Which is on the Berkshire border. So we started off in Hampshire, into Wiltshire, back in Hampshire, and then we're going to head into Berkshire, and then back in towards Hampshire again. So that's the kind of route we're taking. So we're kind of on the edge of 3 counties here that all kind of interconnect with each other. So it's an absolutely incredible track. I mean, this is a we're using, I have to say, we're using byways all the time. John's getting the dust off, that's what the songs we're playing, that is. Don't breathe that stuff in, mate. But it's been good, it's been a good day. And this is what we want to do with veterans. We want to get them out here doing this, experience the fresh air, experience being out, and just pan round Billy and show where we are. You know, it's an absolutely wonderful place. Just countryside is just fantastic. We're so lucky to be here. Aye, we couldn't find the paddle though.
You're right there, John.
So we just had our sandwiches and quick brew, and then we're off again, and that's us. So thanks very much for watching, and I have to say, if you can, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Veterans Expeditions Overland. It's important that we do that. We're trying to build the channel so we can reach more veterans, so it's important that you do that for us. I know we've been harping on about it on Facebook, but it's really important that we get people to subscribe to your channel. Thanks for all the support for those that have already. Comments, we love your comments. We'll try to answer as many as we can. And, at the moment we can do that because we're not huge, but it will get busier later on, and this takes a YouTube channel. A lot of people are not getting what it's all about, and I get that. It's kind of new, certainly my age group, it's not our thing.
We didn't play Candy Crush.
But as we can play Candy Crush on the vehicles as well, and but it's a big thing for us. This is the medium that we want to be using. We want to give you exciting videos to watch. We want you to learn about us and the people we help, and hopefully you can get involved. So subscribe to that channel and keep up to date. And that little bell thing on the top left hand or top right hand corner as you look at your screen on YouTube, if you click that you get notifications of new videos. Thanks very much for your support, it means a lot. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and on Twitter at VIA Charity.